Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue. Voice search and voice commands are not working with Netflix app. Go to settings. Set settings icon from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles. Select one profile. Go down. Select Google Assistant. Here, first we need to enable voice control. See, voice control already enabled. Let me go down, select searchable apps. See, here you can see list of apps under searchable apps list. So here right now Netflix has been disabled. That is a problem. That is why voice search and voice commands are not working with Netflix. Let me enable Netflix. Done. After this you can check voice search and voice commands with Netflix. That should work. So this way we can fix that issue. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.